jäikuse, ehituskiiruse ja konstruktsiooni lihtsuse, loodussõbralikkuse ning naturaalse väljanägemise, siis tuleb välja, et seda kõike saab endast kanda puit. Lõuna-Saksamaal asuv tehas Dold Holzwerke toodab juba eelmise sajandi 80ndatest aastatest ristkihtpuitu, mis nüüd ka Eestis rakendust leiab. Seda enam, et Eestisse on loodud ka oma tootmisüksus asukohaga Viljandis. Ristkihtpuidu kohta teab täpsemalt rääkida Doldi tehase tehnikajuht. Millised on ristkihtpuidu peamised eelised ja kasutuskohad?
The big advantage is that we have the panels with big dimensions. That means till 6 meters we are producing the panels, and with a width of 1.25 till 2.50 till 3 meters. That's, for example, important for architects when they are planning big industrial houses, and big buildings. Then they can cover with big sheets. Imagine 6 meters to 3 meters. That means 18 square meters with one panel. You can cover a ceiling, you can cover beams, and that gives you a big advantage to earn time in the production, and also today to earn time if you have a prefabrication of houses to use the big sheets, the big panels. Then you have to know that we are producing the panels from a thickness of 13 millimeter up to 80 millimeter. That means we are speaking about a 3-layer panel from 13 to 60 millimeters, and from 60 millimeters up to 80 millimeters it's a 5-layer panel, and 3 and 5-layer panels, it's the difference in the composition of the layers, and therefore it's important to know if I have a big load bearing strength to resist them with a really big thickness. And so on one part we have the natural beauty, because it looks nice, the panel. You can also easy to color the panel. You have easy to work with the panels, to see, to cut, to make profiles in the panels. And it's spruce. Spruce, you have a density of about 480 kilos per cubics, so it's not so heavy, and you can really handle it in a really easy way.
Missugusi nüansse tuleks silmas pidada antud materjali kasutusel näiteks välitingimustes?
So that's for outside. Outside is always important to discuss, but we are not only discussing in this way how can I protect the panel with a treatment or with a different essence of the wood. It's also important today about the constructional protection of the panels, of a facade, of the outside cladding, and this means it's more important today to give ideas to architects that they will have, for example, a big overhang that will protect the facade, that, for example, the rain is not falling directly to the panels, and to cut, for example, 30 degrees that water can go down. These are some technical advices which we can give to the architects, to the planners.
See materjal jaguneb kvaliteediklassidesse. Kuidas siin siis targalt otsustada?
Today we have the grade of the panels. That means when customer says I would like to have a joinery panel, or I would like to have more a carpenter panel. That means a joinery is looking about more than aesthetics, good qualities. That means A-B quality, because they are using this for inside cladding, for furnitures, and the customer is directly on this product. On the other hand is the carpentry, the companies which are building houses in the construction. They are using more BC quality, and BC qualities, you can imagine, you have a big hall, you have a big ceiling, you have 10 meters in the height, so it's not important to take a B quality because it's more for furniture. So a BC quality is enough. You can say today about 90% of the application you can see the panel only on one face. So we can make economics if we make a lower face on the back side. And so therefore we are speaking about BC and also AB. And if we have a ceiling, we are seeing only one side, that's the B side. The C side, we cannot see it. And if we are using, for example, panels for joineries or inside claddings, and we use the AB, then we have the A grade on the visible part. And also with furnitures, for example, you can see both sides. If you open a furniture, you can see also the back side, and therefore it's a B. Then it's also important to know if we are using the panels for outside cladding. Therefore, it's better to have an AB grade, because there we have, for example, if we are making the difference of A, B, C, for example, A grade, you have less resin pockets. On an A grade, you have no pith. And if you have no pith, it's important for the outside, because you have sun is shining, and then it can fall out, the pith, and we would like to avoid this. Therefore, for outside claddings, we recommend, for example, an ABC quality, an A or an AB for the outside, and for the back face, a C quality.